In this video, let's explore AI extract the predefined prompt in Power Platform. Now, AI extract basically extracts the user defined data points from input text using AI builder action. It returns an AI extract response in the form of a JSON. So you can use this in apps, flows, prompts, etc. Now, this is the output which you receive, like extracted data, age, email, money, etc. Now, what does this indicate? Like, if you have a prompt or if you have a piece of text received by your customer or from your business, the information can be either an email, it can be a meeting note, it can be a feedback request for your product, or maybe it might be customer complaint. Now, if you want to extract various entities within that particular piece of text, you can use AI extract. Now, age, email, money. Apart from that, you may get other output as well. Like you can extract age, boolean, city, color, continent, and all the data type which is listed over here. Now, this screenshot I've taken from Copilot Studio, but then this particular model gives you many of this data type as an output. Now, how to use it? You have to use run a prompt action. Now, in run a prompt action, either you can create your own prompt, you can create the existing prompt which you have already created as a part of the custom prompt, or you can use AI extract prompt listed over here. And you provide the input text and you specify the entity which needs to be extracted. You provide an additional context over here. Now, as you see over here, you need to provide a sample data. Now here in a square bracket as a part of an array, I am providing you entity type like age, color, money, email. Remember the list which I just showed you? And if it finds any specific thing from the text, it will give you the output back. Now, this format is important to understand, like age, color, money, email. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and show you how to utilize it. Now, I have this simple Power Automate flow which I have created. Now, if you want to use AI Builder actions, like which is an example which you can see over here, run a prompt, you can create this flow and then you can connect it to any other application. Now, in this case, maybe a Canvas application. So you provide an input. On a submit, you run a Power Automate flow which is hooked. This is a Power Automate flow which is hooked to this application, and then you receive an output. Now, in the previous example, I showed how to use run a prompt. So run a prompt, you provide a prompt which you want to select, like in this case, the get medal tally for Winter Olympics. You provide a country as an input, and then you get an output in the compose action over here, right? Now, what are the output you can get? You can get various set of output like finish reason, the text, the body response v2, and body. Okay. Now I'll just get rid of this action and I'll just get rid of run a prompt as well. I'll show you from start. So I click on here and here I will select AI builder. Now AI builder is already in my favorite. So I click on AI builder and I'll click on run a prompt. Now in run a prompt, you can run all the custom prompt which you have. You can create your own custom prompt, or you can use the custom prompt which is provided by the Power Platform. So if you just scroll down at the end, here you will see AI reply, AI classify, AI sentiment, AI summarize, AI generate sample data, AI extract. So we are interested in AI extract, and let's see how we can use this. So if you select any of this, you get a different interface. See here, test prompt. So if I click on test a prompt, I can see the interface over here, and then from here I can select whatever items I want. So extract the specified entity to be extracted, provided as a comma separated list from the provided input text, paying special attention to something. So it will give you that prompt. You just select and you can just test it. Okay. So this is how you can basically test the prompt. Now for here, input text, I already have an input text. Now in order to not hard code all these values, what I can do is in the manually trigger a flow, I'll show you I've taken one input, right? Now I'm going to pass this input text as a part of this input. Now entity to be extracted. Now if I want to view the entity to be extracted, I have shown you the list over here. Now these are the different entities which you can extract, right? Age, boolean, city, country, date, etc. Now let's play around with this and let's see if I can extract a couple of entities. Okay. Now the entity needs to be in a specific format. Like you put a square bracket and you specify in single quotes what you want separated by comma. So I want maybe an age, or maybe I want email, or maybe I want a phone number, and maybe I want other parameters. Like let me see what text I have. So I have this text of duration, city, country, continent. So duration, city, country, continent. So let me add that: duration, city, country, continent. Now, whatever is the standard entities which are supported, you can put it in a square bracket and make sure that you the put it correctly, like separated by semicolon and single quotes with that all those entries. So like age, email, phone, duration, city, country, continent, and maybe I can just put say maybe money as well. So I'll just put money. Okay. Yeah. All right. So if you put this text, you have an option to even give an additional context. So if you want to attach any document which will help you ground the data, you can add that over here as well. I'm not going to do that. What I'll do is just test it now. So in this example, basically we are utilizing the pre-built prompt, which is extracting the entities. Now, remember, AI Builder already has a support for extracting an entity. I've already covered that in a separate video. Now, this is different from the one which I'm showing you over here. Now, over here, we just specify the prompt. So maybe I'll just put a text: during the 21-day vacation in Tokyo, Japan, located in Asia, the 28-year-old traveler contacted customer care number for queries and also emailed this email address. Okay. So it has all those information. Let's see if this particular flow extract all this component correctly or not. You click on run a prompt over here and you click on show raw outputs. Now over here, it has extracted some component. Now let me copy this completely over here and put it in a JSON grid desktop. Paste it. See the output under body, response v2, prediction output. Now it has taken a completion token of 135, prompt token is 1535, and total 1672 token it has taken. It has costed me 3 AI builder credit. Now what output did I get? Watch this particular row. It has identified the text. Okay. So it has identified the text as extracted data, age as 28, which is correct. Email, it has identified the email as traveler at email.com. It has identified the phone. It has identified the duration. It has identified the city as Tokyo, country as Japan, continent as Asia. Remember, we added money as well. Now, you can ask for anything, but if it didn't find the value money in it, like dollar 500 or yen 600, it will not give you as an output. Okay, so whatever it finds, that entity, and whatever you have filtered to see the result as an entity will be shown in the output, and it has done a good amount of job. Now what are you going to do with this? You can take this entire JSON, give it to your higher system, and then process the information accordingly. So if a traveler is requesting for a refund, or if a traveler is requesting for or inquiring for a lost and found property, then you can extract the value and then you can contact the traveler and you can get your business process resolved from that point onwards. So that's it, folks. This is all about utilizing the extract entity, the predefined prompt which we have seen in AI Builder. So in AI Builder, you have this prompt which you can utilize without even writing a single piece of code. Now, which or what are the places where you can use? Now in Power Apps, you get to see something called as an AI plugin. You get to see a prompt, so you can use a prompt. You can use an AI plugin. So add a Power Platform component as an AI plugin. You can utilize over here, and also you can create a function. So if you know about function in Power Apps, you create a function, and then from here you can just type in whatever function you get, so AI Builder. So you can write the formula over here, you can type in the display name, you can type in the description, and then you can get the output written in maybe a JSON format, and you can just type in AI, and here you can get the value like AI classify, AI extract, and then you can make that as a part of the function and then utilize that function in your Power Apps. So that's the use case for utilizing the function AI extract. You can use it for other inbuilt function like the classify, reply, sentiment, summarize, record, or translate as well. So that's it, folks. This is all about AI Builder pre-built prompt. Thanks for watching.